Hi, we've just visited three very interesting stores, outlets of King's Coffee Company at Mysore. I am with the entire founding team here, and we are going to start this workshop. And I'm going to ask the team in terms of what their expectation is. Over to you, Dilip. Please introduce yourself,
Hi,
everybody, and then
my name is Dilip and I recently joined King's Coffee Co team I take care of the back office operations. So expectation from the workshop is to understand, to get more insights about the franchisee world, how it works, and more in terms of the business side of it. So the macro finances, whatever it's which is mentioned in the agenda. So understanding that and the P&L side of it. So avoiding, good number of, the mistakes in the initial stage. By gaining more experience from Amit and team. So this is what our expectation as a team.
Hi, we've just completed a very interesting franchise workshop for King's Coffee Company. In fact, we did a site visit for their three outlets, which is spread across Mysore, across three different formats. They're very interesting formats that we have on hand. We've already created the franchise model, and I'll go to the founders of the company, the senior management of the company, in terms of what their feedback of this workshop has been. Over to you.
Yeah. Thanks, Amit and team. Definitely. Since morning, we got to know a lot of insights about how the business works, how franchisees work, and we got to know a clear understanding of the hierarchies and how it is structured, things are structured. And definitely the time which we spent with Amit sir and team has helped us, has opened up, a lot of knowledge, in terms of, I had a lot of knowledge, in terms of the franchisee business. And I'm sure, with the inputs, whatever he has provided, and with the knowledge what our founders and other people have, so this will help us, to structure our strategies in a better way. So thank you so much. Let's hope for the best, and definitely we keep meeting Amit sir. For the consistent guidance of once we scale up.
Sure.
So,
Yeah.
Thank you.
We're
Thanks
going to do that. Quick few words from you, Amruta and Nayan. What has been your feedback? Anything that you feel has been interesting for them?
Only one word, sir. Thank you, Amit sir and team.
Okay.
The same thing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Actually, we got most of the. Actually, you covered everything. So we covered everything. We got so much knowledge. So thank you so much.
In fact, I've been very impressed with what the store has been. In fact, when we looked at the store, it's just brilliant in the kind of work that you're doing. I'm very sure that we can create the Indian version of the Starbucks and the CCDs, and maybe a combination of something which is very mass appealing. Which has got terrific appeal. I can see the price points at which we are selling. They're all very reasonably priced, very feasible for tier 2 cities of India, maybe very feasible for very price conscious markets of India. And yet, the latest outlet that you have is world class. So hopefully, I'm looking at building this King's Coffee Co. Franchising, and we'll go a long way. Thank you so much, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.